1999 Constitution 1. Promulgated by military decree 24 of 1999. 2. Not signed into law by an act of President. 3. Not subjected to referendum. 4. Was written by a select few Nigerians. 5. Does not provide for state constitution to create true federation. 6. Keep a secret till after our inauguration in 1999. 7. Not printed by government printer in 1999. 8. Take care of one religion in section 275 to 279 and neglect all others. 9. Over centralized governance. 10. Centralize the whole judiciary. 11. Gave NAS power over concurrent items. 12. Created a unitary government, not federal government. 13. Falsely claims Nigeria willingly handed over their land and resources to the federal government, thus pauperizing states and Nigerians. 14. Section 275 to 279 negates Section 10 regarding non-state religion. 15. Calls state governors chief security officers, but does not give them security outfit or power over Nigerian police. 16. The civilian government can never meet Section 8 requirements for the creation of new states and local government. 17. States married girls less than 18 years are adults who can sue, be sued, vote, and be voted for no clear reasons. 18. The Military Land Use Decree Later Act and NYC Decree Later Act were embedded in the Constitution, so not easy to amend for no stated reason. 19. Provided for only one police force, unlike other federations. 20. Section 6 frees government from liability regarding citizen rights provided in Chapter 2. Thus, these rights are not justiciable. Join the campaign to end 1999 Constitution.